All right, let's look at the homework 12.3, problem number 6. All right, so let's find the direction cosines and the direction angles of this given vector here. All right, so first thing we need is we need to find its a magnitude. So I'm going to go ahead and find that. So it's going to be, I'm going to call this guy maybe vector v or something. All right. So the magnitude of this vector v is going to be, right, so we have a square root of 2 squared is 4, and 1 squared is 1, and 3 squared is 9. So this is going to be square root of 14. Right, we got that. All right, so cosine of alpha is simply take the first component, which is 2, divided by the magnitude. So it's a square root of 14. All right. So cosine of beta is going to be take the second component, which is 1, over square root of 14. Right. And the cosine of gamma is take the third component, divide by the magnitude of the vector. Right, so let's type those in those guys in first. All right, so we got 2 over square root of 14. All right, so this is 1 over square root of 14, and the gamma cosine of gamma is 3 over square root of 14. All right, so let's go ahead and check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back, and that looks like we got those guys correctly. All right, so let's find the corresponding angles. All right, so we just have to do take the arc cosine of every one, right? So I'm gonna take I'm gonna bring out the calculator here. All right, so I'm gonna take the arc cosine of 2 over, so 2 over square root of 14. All right, and maybe close parentheses. All right, so compute that. All right, it came out to be 57.6, so it's 58. So I'm gonna put the 58 there. All right, then next one is again arc cosine of 1 over square root of 14. Right, and hit enter. All right, I got 74.49 to 74. Right, and the last one is arc cosine of 3 over square root of 14. All right, and hit enter, and it's a 37. All right, so let's type it in. All right, first one we got was 58, and the next one is 74, and the last one is 36. 36. Actually 37, sorry. 37. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got all these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.